Unfortunately, not all visa applications are approved by the Immigration Department, and due to that, Migration Solutions has a very dedicated team of people who provide appeal services. We've got years of experience in specialised areas such as appeals and cancellations and reviewing decisions for jurisdictional error. If required, we can also assist you with an application to the Minister of Immigration. The main reason that visa applications are refused is either one, the applicant didn't satisfy the primary criteria for the grant of the visa, or two, the Immigration Department may have made a mistake and may have not considered all of the information correctly. Every application that's lodged to the Immigration Department is assessed by a case officer. A case officer's interpretation of the rules and the regulations and the legislation will be different from one person to another. In some cases, we see that there's been a jurisdictional error which has been made. So the department have made a decision on an application which is incorrect. An example of that would be where we've sent an email to the department in support of one of our clients' applications, but the department didn't consider any of the information that was contained in the supporting documents. So that's a jurisdictional error. The case officer should have considered all of the information, so the decision is flawed. That's allowed us to get that decision removed or set aside. The problem occurs, however, once an application has been lodged at the AAT or Administrative Appeals Tribunal, the department will no longer consider whether that decision has been affected by jurisdictional error. If a visa application is refused, there's a number of opportunities which are available. The first step is to lodge the application to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. If you're unsuccessful at the AAT, that decision can be challenged to the Federal Court or to go directly to the Minister of Immigration requesting ministerial intervention. The ministerial application process is really the last resort. Once you lodge an application for ministerial intervention, the Minister will actually determine whether or not they believe a visa should be granted to someone, whether they meet the requirements for the grant of a visa or not. The most important thing to remember when a visa application is refused is your appeal deadlines. You only get a limited period of time to lodge an appeal. If you miss that opportunity, then you don't have an opportunity to challenge the decision that's been made by the Immigration Department. So very important that you don't let your time run out. Sometimes people will come and see us straight away when that decision's been made. In that type of situation, it gives us the maximum opportunity to act on their behalf and to achieve the best possible results. And even if you come in just for a 1-hour consultation with one of our specialised migration agents, that's at least going to give you some understanding about the decision, why it's been made, whether it's the correct decision, and options that you may have available.